Why can't you access your money when you need it most? If you're a Beforepay user or someone considering their services and you've suddenly found yourself blocked, you're not alone. It's a frustrating experience, especially when you're relying on that early wage access. Today, we're diving deep into the common reasons why Beforepay might block your account and what you can do about it. Let's set the scene. You've been using Beforepay for a while, it's been a lifesaver, and then BAM. You try to access your next wage advance, and you're met with a block message. Your mind races. Did I do something wrong? Is my account compromised? The truth is, there are several common culprits behind a Beforepay block, and understanding them is the first step to getting back on track. One of the most frequent reasons for a block is repayment issues. Beforepay operates on a system of trust and timely repayment. If you've missed a repayment, or if a repayment attempt has failed multiple times, Beforepay's automated systems are likely to put a temporary block on your account. This isn't to punish you, but to protect both you and them from further financial complications. They need to ensure that their advances are being repaid reliably. This could be due to insufficient funds in your linked bank account on the repayment date, or even an expired debit card linked to your account. Another significant factor is changes in your income or employment. Beforepay assesses your eligibility for advances based on your regular income and employment status. If your income has recently decreased, or if you've changed jobs, or even if your pay cycles have become irregular, Beforepay might reevaluate your eligibility and place a block until they can verify your current financial situation. Their algorithm is designed to ensure you can comfortably repay any advances, and significant changes can trigger a review. Then there's the issue of suspicious activity or potential fraud. Like any financial service, Beforepay has robust security measures in place. If their systems detect unusual patterns in your account activity, such as multiple rapid advance requests or attempts to link different bank accounts in quick succession, they might block your account as a precautionary measure. This is to protect your account from unauthorized access and to prevent fraudulent activities. While inconvenient, it's ultimately for your security. Sometimes, a block can be due to linking an unsupported bank account. Beforepay needs to be able to reliably connect with your bank to verify income and process repayments. If you've switched to a bank that Beforepay doesn't fully support, or if there are ongoing connectivity issues with your bank, this could lead to a block. It's always a good idea to check their list of supported banks if you're experiencing persistent issues. Finally, a block might occur due to breaches of their terms and conditions. While no one reads the fine print, Beforepay's terms outline the rules of engagement. This could include things like providing inaccurate information during the application process or attempting to game the system in some way. These situations are less common but can result in a more permanent block. So, you're blocked. What now? The very first thing you should do is contact Beforepay's customer support. They are the only ones who can tell you the specific reason for your block. Be prepared to provide them with any requested information to verify your identity and address the issue. Often, a temporary block can be lifted once the underlying problem is resolved, whether it's updating your payment method, providing proof of income, or clarifying suspicious activity. Don't assume the worst, reach out and get clarity. Understanding why you might be blocked from Beforepay is crucial for resolving the issue and preventing future occurrences. It's rarely a permanent ban, but rather a protective measure. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.